Hello there, you may call me Miss Introvert, and today we are going to be talking about some fun ways that you can get yourself to write. Sometimes that happens by living in denial, like I often do when I pretend that it's fall. Preferably Halloween season, when it's a scalding 90 degrees outside, above 90 degrees. Dreadful. But let's use this as an analogy and treat those 90 degrees as your writer's block. It's there, and it's overwhelming, and it's sticking to you and making you sweat as you pace around the room over and over again, trying to bask in the cool of the air conditioning, but nothing is working. You've tried everything. What do? That is what we're going to talk about in this video. I don't even feel like writing the script right now, but I'm pressing through it anyway because I want to get a video out this week. Happy Saturday. Dude, what if I don't upload the video? That is the first thing you need. A goal. Something to get you motivated, get you started on your writing way. So write down some deadlines, tell someone about your goals to keep you accountable, and then start. Oh no. That's the hard part. You don't know how to start. What is a good first sentence? That's the thing, there is no good first sentence at this point. Just write down whatever's in your head right away. Cognitively think about what you want to write if you want to, but if you're in a state of panic, like I often am, and you have more inspiration than motivation, then set a time, anytime from like 5 to even 30 minutes, and just start free writing and keep writing and don't stop. And read Peter Elbow's Writing Without Teachers. It helps. It helps that process of writing from process theory. Yay. Another thing you can do is keep getting that inspiration or start finding it. You can do this by reading someone else's work, watching a good movie, also someone else's work. You can watch a good TV show. You can go on a nice long walk. You can go somewhere new. It doesn't even have to be traveling to a different country kind of thing, even though it can help. It can be as simple as trying a new coffee shop. I tried one out with my sister recently, and it really does help. If you're worried about finishing a writing project, you can read something that you wrote from it before, and maybe get more inspiration from that, and get excited about what you were writing before. Or maybe it will make you cringe. I've had that before. I've gone back and read things for the sake of editing or for the sake of getting excited about it again. Sometimes it works. Sometimes I'm like, ooh, I wrote that. That's really cool. I want to keep writing that. Or sometimes I'm like, Alexa, start a bonfire. So maybe read someone else's work, someone else's better work that will help you get started, preferably in the genre that you're writing in. Or watch a movie, or watch a TV show, or play a video game within your genre. So many options. Look at a piece of artwork in your genre. Look at a place that reminds you of your genre, or of your story, or just go off of whatever first thing comes to mind. A character trait, a place, a setting, a time period. God, I just spat time period all over my computer. Okay. Lastly, keep writing for the sake of writing. I'm slouching today. I don't want to bump into this. My little loft bed space is really cramped, but I decorated it. I'll show you after. Maybe I'll forget. I might just forget. I might look back at this and forget. Plus, I'm going to take it down right when I'm done. But I should reorganize this place, make it like Halloween because I love Halloween so freaking much. So set times out of your day to free write. And if you don't have a lot of time to write at all, make some time. Wake up earlier. Go somewhere quiet and write to your heart's content. Maybe you have a day off that you take and you can use that day for writing, unless you're exhausted, in which case you should probably rest. And again, once you start that writing, don't stop. You can't keep writing unless you start writing. So go ahead and start. It's okay. You don't have to be in the middle of anything. You don't have to have some big inspirational idea. You can just start. You have to give yourself permission to do that. I know that I've had to give myself permission to do that. It's time to start. And that's how you live in denial that you have motivation. You act like a writer so that you can feel like a writer. You act like it's fall when really it's summer. Wait, it's summer? Ew. And while you're at it, tell yourself you're a writer. This has really helped me when I've felt like I've not gotten anywhere with my writing projects. So don't be afraid to tell yourself that you're a writer. Again, you don't need anyone's permission to do that. You can just say that. Because if it's what you want to do, then you might as well make it what you are. So give yourself some pep talks and keep going and don't stop. And also start. And if you've started, don't stop. Okay, bye. But also I want to show you my room. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So I covered up Billie Eilish's eyes. I'm sorry, Billie. But I wanted to get this little feel in here. Also, I have fairy lights and I have freaking bats. And there's my little video game corner. And here are all my books. And then here's some more cobwebs. If you're wondering about this, about the blue putty, that's from my dorm because we weren't allowed to have tape there. And then we have Billy, and then we have more cobwebs, black cobwebs that are actually lace. So, yeah, that's, hey, come down here. Yeah, that's what we have. And also, I did my hair different now, so it's different, and it's cool, and I like it better than I did. And I can't get this thing to stay the frick still, so, yeah. Okay, bye.